Page 23, Etude number 1. Etude is a study piece. The number 1 just means it's the first one they're showing here. It's a Roman numeral 1. It's not Etude I, it's Etude 1. And as you can tell by looking at this, the etude is for the G major scale. That's what's going on. Look at the right hand at the beginning of this. You're here. Thumb on C. That's a G major scale. This is one of the advantages of knowing the scales. If you can play the scale already and you see this, you think, oh, this is cool, I can already play this. You know, it's just... Second measure, bring the thumb down to the B. And then for the third measure, you're going to cross over, although it's a different phrase. So just lift up and move. You don't have to cross over. Isn't that cool? And then the second line, the left hand gets it. Now they want you to cross over. Here, you're going to start with the second finger and thumb. Like so. It's not how I would really finger it, but that's what they want as part of the etude, because they want you to have this G scale fingering. That, they want you to start on an A, so they're doing that. A couple things might throw you. You're starting out in this position. The right hand don't stay there because you got a G major scale. You're up here, and then here coming down. In the third measure, the first line, the right hand has a half note and a half rest, so make sure you come up on beat 3. In other words, when the right hand plays that A coming down, your left hand comes up, right there. So it's that. Now the last note on the left hand is thumb. You got to come down. You're in position to go on. Just want to point that out. It's important. The chords, for the most part, are tied. You're holding them down forever, you know, so don't play them again when they're tied. You just hang on to them. That's important too. In the last measure, you dotted half note. 3 counts. You come up on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When 4 comes along, you come up. We're trying to be pretty precise as best we can. The music's going to get more difficult, so the sooner we get this down and the preciseness and try and be exact and accurate, the better off we're going to be later on, is what I'm after. So don't just rush through this, I got this close enough. Close enough isn't close enough. You got to really have it. And that's what this is about. Not a lot to talk about here. So look at the dynamics. There's just saying medium loud to start, and that's the right hand here. So you're going to get a little louder. That arrow means get louder. And then the last 2 measures, you're starting that loud, but now you're going to start getting softer. When I see these arrows, I have to stop and think, okay, where is the important part? Where's the loud part? Where are we headed? In this case, you're headed for the B, and then the A, and the next measure is loud too. But really we're after the B. So I'm going to go up to the B. That's the note I'm after. Everything else is just leading up to it. And then the A starts at that loud, but now I'm going to go back down to the D. Like so. Second line works the same way, except now it's the left hand. So we're going to crescendo up to the G is where we want. That note, and then we're going to start that loud and then get soft going down. Like so. The chords in whichever hand have to stay under, softly. We don't want them getting in the way. Now I haven't been talking about tempo on all these pieces. We're talking, this is moderato, others have been. Because when you're doing stuff, especially with an etude, you have to take it at your speed. And when you're learning it, you got to go really, really slow. And you can build it up eventually. Moderato is just a moderate tempo. It's not a fast, it's not a slow, but it's moderate to you. What is moderate to you? It just depends on what time of day it is for me, I guess. So, but I'll leave that up to you. When we do the play with me's, we go really, really slow. We're not trying to perform it. We're just trying to check the notes and the rhythms. So let's try this out slowly together. It's in common time, so I'll give us 4 counts. So go ahead and put your hands, you're starting here and here. Okay. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.